Right, hi everyone. We're going to show you how to do a really easy self-portrait. I've just had the little girl, I've showed the girls how to do it, and we're going to film it to show you how to do it. Hi, so what we've got some cling film, and what I've got here as well, I've got plastic wallets. Any clear plastic that you've got in your house, and you can even grab it from your recycling. All the packaging comes in plastic these days. So basically anything plastic, we're going to use that. Cling feels really good because it sticks to your mirror. So the other thing we're going to use is a mirror.
It's my mirror.
And Bethany, show them you've got a pen. You've got a big fat
so
pen.
You've got a not removable pen.
Yeah, this is a permanent marker pen.
Yeah, but you can use a different pen.
Yeah.
But it just has to show out and it has to be black, not any else colour.
Yeah. And also, what mustn't you do with this pen?
Not put the lid on. No, put the lid on.
Always put the lid on. Don't flick it around like that.
Yeah,
should draw on your
guys,
phone.
should we show them an example you did?
No, we'll show
earlier?
them in a minute. Right, so what we're going to do, we're going to get a bit of cling film. I'm going to rip it off, and I'm going to grab my handy helper here, Bethany. She's going to grab the bottom for me.
Sticky.
Okay, handy little place for your pen.
I don't have to pop it.
Okay. Right, so you need 4 hands to do this. Stick it onto your mirror.
So you.
That's it. That's good. Perfect. There we go.
My thumbs is in the mirror.
It's okay. Right, so once you've got it stuck to your mirror,
Get your pen.
get your pen.
I just saw me in the mirror.
Yeah, you have to kneel down so you can see your face.
Now, do you want to come closer, Eloise, to show everyone what you do? So you have to close one eye, and then you draw around the outline of your face.
Should I?
That's my hairable face.
Yeah, and then do you want to put some hair in? What do you want to put in first?
Well, I have these lump bits on my head.
Oh, you got curly hair. You got a hairband.
No, do you see I have these lump bits?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay.
I kind of want to show the
have
example.
racial hair.
Oh, it's so sticky.
I'm doing my normal people.
But you've got to keep your head in exactly the same spot because you're tracing round it.
Kind of look in the mirror. Kind of looks like she's tracing your head. It's too small. But it's too small.
We'll come a bit closer now. Yeah, this is permanent pen, so this pen doesn't come off. But if you want the pen to come off, if you're likely to make mistakes, just use a felted pen. Do you want to swap to a felted pen, Bethany, so you can rub bits off that you don't like?
I can do that.
Yeah?
I can do it.
Right, bring it closer,
No, Mum,
Louise.
look, I can actually rub it off.
So Bethany is drawing round.
I'm trying to.
So you keep your head dead still.
How do I draw my glasses when I don't know?
So this is where you keep your head
Oh,
still.
look, I'm in the
You
mirror.
close one eye and you draw around it.
Oh, I really want to show the example.
Yeah, you can show the example. This is the one that I did.
Yeah, it's really sticky.
Yeah, because it's cling
Oh
film.
gosh.
I don't really want to do my glasses.
Right, let's say goodbye there and we'll come back in a minute when Bethany is happy with hers.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm just going to show you hopefully a close-up that you can see. I've already put my cling film over my mirror. I've got my pen ready to go. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to close my right eye. I find it easier closing my right eye for some reason. So I'm closing my right eye and I'm going to start with the outline. I'm going to draw around the outline of my head. And I just take it up to the hair. My hair is coming over my outline. So when my hair comes over, I'm just going to draw my hair in. So never do that full oval if your hair is going over your face. And try not to do solid lines. Try and do some broken lines. Keep it nice and sketchy. And bring a little bit of lines. And then whatever direction your hair is going in, try and do that. Is it straight? Is it curved? Have you got nice curls, nice ringlets coming in? Whatever shape that you can see in the mirror, that's what shape you've got to draw. So that's my outline with my hair. And then I'm going to start at the top here. I find it easier starting at the top personally. I'm going to start with my eyebrows. And then I'm going to pop my eye in. So I did the upper lid, the outline of my top eye, pupil, and then the outside of my iris. And the bottom eye. So I'm going to open my other eye now to draw that in. So same thing, draw on the upper lid, the outline of my eye, the pupil on the iris, so not too much. And then I made the mistake of before of drawing a humongous nose. So I'm going to draw my nostrils.
Yeah, a gorilla nose.
It was, wasn't it? It was a big gorilla nose.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do some nostrils. And the bottom there. Hopefully that's a bit nicer. And now I'm going to draw my top lip. So the cupid's bow of the top lip. The middle of the mouth. And then the bottom of my mouth. There we go. Right, let's put in my neck. Should put some clothes on. Here we are. And there's my portrait. What do you think?
I think it's good.
Yeah, can you see it in the video?
Yep.
Yeah, good. Right, so everyone have a go and see how you get on. It's quite a fun one to do.
Yeah, so then you have to take it off.
Should we take it off?
Yeah.
You can stick it in your sketchbook on a bit of paper.
Whoa, it's
I
really...
might decorate your wall, Eloise.
No, you
with
can
pictures of
decorate-
Mummy, yeah?
No! I want you to decorate me. Where's a me picture?
Oh, what did you
Yes.
do with that? On that?
So we
I'm going to change this. So if you don't like it, you can change it. You can put something else on top of it that make that chin bit better. That eye needs to come up a bit. Oh. Add bits in. And do whatever you like to it.
Yeah, but can you colour it in?
Yeah, if you've got other pens, get your felt tip pens and colour it in. That'll be fun, wouldn't
Like,
it?
can you use paint?
Yeah, you can use paint. You can paint over the top. That'll be even better, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, let's say goodbye.
Bye.
Right, so Eloise has set herself up on a chair to get herself nice and comfy. She's put herself in front of the mirror. She's closing one eye and she's drawing round the outside of her face.
I don't like it.
Okay, right, she's going to rub that out and start again. So this is Eloise, this is your third outline, isn't it? She's used a black pen. She's preferring the black than the blues. So she's done the outside, she's done some eyebrows, putting some eyes in. And can you see she closes one eye so that you can see it clearly?
I'm actually using it with my... Oh god, this is bad.
No, keep going, it's looking good.
No, it's not. Ah!
Good. Right, put your mouth in. You got to copy, yeah, copy the outline of you. That's it. Right, have you got a top lip though? There, give yourself a top lip. Where's your top lip? So think about all the bits on your face.
Oh god, that is bad.
No, it's good. You know what it needs now? It's looking a bit bald. What do you think it needs? Yeah.
Look a pot in there. Then I've got my hairband.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so draw it nice and slow. So you're happy with it. If you do it too quick, you might do bits that you don't like.
It's so hard.
Yeah.
I'm a way better illustrator than this.
It's okay.
I did keep
And can you see a bit of your ear? Can you see a bit of your ear, Eloise?
Only here, but I don't
Yeah,
want to
so
see
where
that.
you see it, you've got to put everything that you see, try and draw around
Then I
it
have
and
to
put
do
it
on
in.
this side.
Was you actually drawing around your ear? Because I don't think your ear is there or sticks out that much, does it?
Yeah, but it's right there.
You sure?
Yeah, I can see it from there.
Well, it doesn't come underneath your eye, does it?
Yeah, it does. It goes like.
Now, where does it start?
It starts like right next to it.
Yeah, right next to your eyes. Look where you've drawn it. Look where you've drawn it. So where does it need to be? Yeah, where does it need to be? There we go. So you've got to make sure that you're tracing around everything.
That's so horrible.
Otherwise, you're going to put it in the wrong place. Hi everyone. So Eloise didn't like your picture that you did you?
I don't
No.
like my picture.
So what we're going to do, we're going to do it again, but I'm going to draw around Eloise this time. So this is another fun one that you can draw around each other.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do, if I hold that there,
Hey,
you know,
you can see it.
yeah,
We
it
can
gets in
see
the way a
it.
bit too much.
Yeah.
So what we'll do, what about if I put it there, Eloise? Can you hold it for me? Do you reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. Right, so I'm going to draw around Eloise. So again, I'm going to close one eye as I draw. I'll bring you over here. So I'm going to go around her, the outline of her. Oh, stop moving your head. Keep your head still. Don't move it.
My head is still.
No, it's not. Right. So that's it. You've got to keep your head dead
I can't
still.
see that. That's like on the top of my head.
Right, stop moving. Oi! Right, here we go. Right, so that's the outside. Here's your hairband coming through.
Yay!
Here's your hair.
My hair is.
There we go.
I'm looking at the thing.
Right,
as
look
well.
up for me.
They can't see it.
Yeah, and keep your head still.
I'm gonna move the phone up.
Yeah,
So that's me so far.
yeah. Can you see?
Yeah, I
Right,
can
so good
see
one.
now.
Right, so put your eyes up because I'm going to draw your eyes in. I'm going to do your
Oh, you're drawing it on your eyes.
eyebrow.
You need to keep one of your eyes closed always.
Yeah. Right, that's where your nose is. And here your mouth. So that's your top lip. That's it. Right, keep your head, put your head back. There we go. And then that's your bottom lip. Coming in.
That looks better than mine. Mine looks horrible.
But they're funny to do, aren't they?
Yeah.
You was giggling as you were doing it.
Yeah, I was like, does that laugh my head off?
Yeah. The problem here is you keep moving your head, so I don't quite know where your eyes are and where they're gone. So I'm going to add them in there. Oh, that looks really nice, doesn't it? I
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah, me too. Oh, look, my face is in the way.
Right, should we say goodbye to everyone? So
Yeah.
try it at home. Even if you don't like it, it is a funny one to do. And if
Yeah.
you don't like it at
Look,
the end...
I've got it on my mirror up there because it says my name. Look, you just peel it off.
Yeah.
It's a bit clingy.
And then you can stick it to a bit of paper. I wanted Eloise to stick hers into her school exercise book that she got
It's not an exercise book.
No, but you school book from home, but you didn't want to, did you?
So there is, oh gosh. Guys, this is mine. That.
If I put that down, that was my one. I think I've given myself the biggest nose ever.
Yeah, a gorilla nose.
Yeah, I've got a gorilla nose. And this is Eloise's on the head. See, they are funny. So it's worth a giggle. And there's your one. Oh,
So-
that's a really cute one, this one.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Here's a gorilla nose, cutie, and ugly, ugly, ugly. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Ugly. Ugly.
Aw. Right, so give it a go at home and let us know
Yeah.
how you get on. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye. And shout out for this ugly, ugly.
No.
Say if it's ugly or not.
Go on.
Bye.